I'd like to do one soft taco, please. Is there like a steak or is it just ground beef?
I can make it the steak on there if you want, yeah.
Yeah, the carne asada, soft taco. One.
Alright, with the lettuce and cheese?
Sounds good. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you this. You try them all until you've tried them all. And we have not tried Del Taco. We were in downtown Gilbert. We were on Warner and Gilbert, and we're driving home. This is the 6th taco review of the day, but I will not drive by. I will go through the drive-thru. I will get a carne asada taco from Del Taco, and I will review it. Del Taco, carne asada taco review coming up next. If you say you're going to try them all until you try them all, and it's taco review day, he just handed me this. I'm in the parking lot. You stop, roll up the window because it's hot as balls out, and you just review it right then. $1.82 for the taco. Is that a crispy bit? It is. Oh man, I do not want to rate this high. Every morsel of my fiber in my being says don't rate this high. For a second, I had hope. I legitimately had hope. But I got some gristle pieces or something. I can't even chew it. 3.5. I mean, look, you could see why I was getting excited. That piece right there is crispy. But I think there's a bunch of gristle in here. Del Taco, carne asada, $1.82, 3.5, that's a review.